project. This is over the ground secure site. So over here to testify as to its content and meaning. As a foundation. The folks who testified about it are not on the email. I don't know how they can testify about the email that they weren't participants in.
I'm sorry, what was the lady's name? I apologize.
Karen.
Last name?
Brockman.
Mr. Brockman, or Ms. Brockman, did you get this from DEP in a, like a right to know request? Like a file review at DEP? Is that how you got it?
Kat got it.
I got it. I
She
did a
got
file
it.
review.
Okay. So this was from like file review at DEP?
Yes.
All right,
It's not
we'll
hearsay.
admit it into the record. This is Exhibit CC, noting the objection from Northwest's counsel. Does somebody else want to come forward at this time? Were you sworn in?
No, that's what I was going to say.
I didn't think you were. I think everybody over here was sworn. Let's get the people who were sworn in first.
My name is Lisa Graves Marcecci, M-A-R-C-U-C-C-I, and I work for the Enviromental Integrity Project. And
Sure, Earl, I'm going to ask for a proffer at this point. Unless she's a resident of the municipality, I don't think she has standing to speak here this evening.
Okay, do you just say what it is that you
we're writing a
think
letter on behalf of the residents to the DEP, so I do think we have standing.
I don't even- I'm not even sure that you got through who you were. Who are you again?
I'm Lisa Graves Marcecci, and I work for the Environmental Integrity Project. I'm the Community Outreach Coordinator, working with the citizen team. And
The citizen team, the people that are here tonight.
well, some of them. And on behalf of the residents, we conducted file reviews, and based on that, I'm here to share some information that we're about to share with the Pennsylvania DEP about the GP5 specifically.
Are you saying that you think that there's something that the GP5 is like not going to be approved?
We're asking that it not be approved.
You're asking that it not be approved.
Or we're asking it to be approved in a different format. If I
Okay.
can read my statement, I could explain.
How long is your statement?
It's about 3 minutes.
Okay, good.
Mr. Shipro, I just want to note my objection for the record. The
Understood.
individual has not testified that she's a resident of this municipality. She testified that she's with the Environmental Integrity Project, which is out of Washington, D.C.
I work in Pittsburgh.
Okay. Go ahead.
Great, she works in Pittsburgh. Okay, she does not have any basis to testify here tonight that is relevant to the zoning proceedings as it relates to this municipality.
We gave her that.
Okay, everybody, please don't talk. Like I said, we have to do this one person at a time.
She said she is assisting the residents of the municipality. If that's the case, then the residents themselves can speak on their own behalf. She is not a licensed attorney. She cannot be here representing them in this proceeding before the board.
Right, clearly she's not a licensed attorney, and I don't think that she has said that she's a licensed attorney. She does seem to have information working with the people that relates to a matter that was testified to by your people, and she says that she's essentially limited to 3 minutes on the letter. The board, and I just want to make sure, I'm not sure that I made this exact statement at the beginning. I was talking about evidence and how we're not using formal rules of evidence, but we do try to, keep things orderly. The board, when it makes its decision, can weigh the evidence that it hears in terms of relevance and quality and things of that nature. And the fact that that something is in the record it may or may not mean that the board would use it as justification for its decision. So I think we'll hear her speak, and it'll be in the record, and the board can give it the weight that it may be due. So go ahead, Ms. Marcecci.
To date, MarkWest has not provided a full and complete plan for all the facilities likely to become part of the Cybus Imperial sites. Without a full documentation of all plans for the complete footprint, this board cannot complete their required due diligence. Therefore, I urge this board to deny this permit and require a full accounting for all plans, blueprints, and applicable permits before any further decisions are made. Additionally, the Environmental Integrity Project is sending a letter to the Pennsylvania DEP urging similar disclosure before granting MarkWest their GP5 air permit. Our letter states in part, quote, Mark West's ultimate plans for the Imperial
I'm
Cybus
going to object
Ranch.
again, Mr. Strickaro. She's going to refer to the letter she's sending to the DEP. DEP can deal with it. It's not properly before this board.
All right, hang on. Do you have a copy of the actual letter that's been sent?
It has not been sent, it's being sent tomorrow.
Okay. I think we get the picture. I mean, here, let me just make sure that I understand the situation as we are here today. The permit has been applied for. Mark West testified that the gentleman said that he believed it would be approved presently, and you're saying that there's going to be some objection to that permit being approved. And that's largely based upon the fact that the entire site, all the development for the site hasn't been determined yet. Is that what you're saying?
Right, and it isn't currently under the GP5 being evaluated, and so we're asking that the DEP
Right.
evaluate it under a different method, not GP5.
So, I mean, it would be my understanding that that they would, regardless of the decision by the board here, that they would not be able to operate this facility unless that permit is approved. And-
That's my understanding. They would
And
need
our
both.
approval would be essentially, if this board approved this, that wouldn't mean that they could move forward if you were successful in getting that G5 approved. So, there we get it.
Okay,
Okay, thank you.
Mhm.
Is there anybody else over here that was sworn in before that would like to testify at this time? And now I'm going over to the other side of the room. I know we had the gentleman over here who wanted